Hi, I'm John, and the other day, I was at the beach building a sandcastle when I saw a giant cruise ship out on the ocean. It was huge, like floating hotel huge. And I thought, wait, how is that enormous thing not sinking? I can't even float on a noodle without flipping over. So, I hit science mode and dove into some serious sea smart research. Let me tell you what I found. The ship that floats, because science. Imagine the ocean is like a big, squishy mattress, and anything placed on it pushes it down just a little. This pushing down is what we call weight. Now, here's the twist. Water pushes back. Yup, water has a cool, invisible superpower called buoyancy, which is the force that pushes up against anything in it. It's like the ocean saying, hey, I've got you. You're not going down that easy. So how does a ship stay up? Even though ships are super heavy, they're not solid blocks of metal. They're shaped to spread out their weight, with big hollow bottoms filled with air and space. Think of it like a giant metal bowl floating in your bathtub. The more water a ship pushes aside, this is called displacement, the stronger the upward push from the water. If that upward force is equal to or greater than the weight of the ship, TDA, it floats. It's the same reason why a basketball floats, but a small rock sinks. It's all about shape, space, and how much water gets pushed out of the way. So next time you see a big ship cruising like a boss, just remember, it's not magic. It's Archimedes' principle in action, science from way back in ancient Greece that still keeps ships floating today.